Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. In this video, I've got a really cool one for you guys. This is the InvisQi. So you guys know wireless chargers, right? Most of them use Qi wireless charging, but they all require you to have a little puck sitting on your desk that you have to put your phone on. Well, InvisQi has set out to change that. As the name implies, this is an invisible wireless charger. So let me explain what that means as we open this box. So I might need the little unboxing knife here. So let me grab that and we will just slice right through this. There we go. Very easy to do. And there we go. So here is the box itself. Big shout out to them for sending this out free for review, of course. Let's take a look at what is inside. So in here, nothing else. On the top here, got a little plastic piece here, which we can set off to the side. And then in here, we've got the actual charger itself. So here it is in all of its glory, looking very sleek, but you're never really gonna see it. So we can set that off to the side now. And here is the mounting brackets, which that will go in. And what else is in this box? So this is a pretty nice box. Very good unboxing experience. Let's see what we've got in here. We've got some more things for mounting it, which I will go over in just a minute. And nothing else in this box. And finally, I believe we have the power supply. So let's take a look. Nothing else in there. Set that to the side, set this to the side, and here we go. Let's take a look. Yes, we do have a proprietary charger and it plugs in with this. So we can set that to the side. So here is what we have. So we have this actual charger itself. We also have this, which can be used to kind of line it up. I think you can also, if you were going to put this, like let's just say at Starbucks, under their tables, that's kind of how you would use this. And then you would put this on the table so that people knew, hey, this is the spot to put your phone to wirelessly charge. So the whole point of this is to keep this out of sight. So what you would do is you would put this under the table. You should just be able to set your phone down and it will wirelessly charge. No issues there. So we'll be putting this to the test. I'm gonna have to find a table to kind of do some tests on, but I will show you guys how it works. And hopefully we'll start seeing this in more places because this just makes your desk aesthetic so much better because you don't have to have a bunch of hockey pucks laying around to charge your phone. So you guys can see right here, next generation wireless charging. InvisQi mounts under the surface of your table, desk, or any furniture while your phone charges on the surface. Charging up to 30 millimeters away, InvisQi can turn practically any piece of furniture in your home or office into a fast wireless charging station. No construction required. Compatible with all Qi wireless charging phones. And here's what comes in the package. These are very, very competitively priced. So just for fun, I'm gonna plug this in and just see if it charges. I know it will, but just for the video. So we've got it all plugged in here. Let's go ahead and see if I put the iPhone near it, it is charging. As you guys can see right here, this is wirelessly charging. It is not touching. You guys can see up there, it is charging. That's pretty cool. So this should definitely work. It does have very powerful, wireless charging properties. Let it get through, like a table and, the distance to your phone. So just for fun, let's see how far it can actually charge. So it's still charging that far away. That is super cool. I've never had a wireless charger be able to do that. I don't know why I'm so intrigued with this. You can kind of hear it a little bit when it activates, so this must be very powerful. But I'm gonna go ahead. I'm not sure what desk I'm gonna use yet, but I'm definitely gonna get a demonstration of this for you guys. So I will be back once that's done. Okay, wow, this thing is pretty cool. So this is a voiceover right now, and I've actually already filmed this because I wanted to get the full experience from this device. I didn't wanna just slap it on the bottom of something. I wanted to put it on and install it on an actual desk in an actual office. I went and I put this onto a desk and decided to install it on the right-hand side because I've got a couple iPhones up there that I use on a daily basis. And hey, it'd be pretty cool to get rid of some of the wireless chargers and just have them charge on the desk. So installation was seriously easy. I was kind of scared at first because it comes with screws and everything. I didn't even need them. I just used the double-sided sticky tape that came with the product, stuck it onto the mount. And then when I was ready, after I used the little green tool thing that lights up, which I'll show you guys as well, that thing is awesome. Helps you line things up perfectly. Found the spot and had it all installed within 5 minutes. It was that easy. So no screws through the table, no nothing, just double-sided tape that this product came with, mounted it, and I made sure that the cord was facing the back so it was easy for install and removal. And so it's closer to the power outlet, so it can just slide right in there. And there it goes. So that was seriously one of the easiest installs of anything that I've done. And like I said, I was really worried at first that it was going to be difficult, but this was so easy and it went perfectly. Now I use that green tool to kind of have it light up and show me, am I a little too far right, a little too far left? And when it's just the center one blinking, that's right on the money. That's where you want it. So that's what I did. I lined it up just how I wanted it and installed it. And as you guys can see with my other iPhone here, it charges up just fine, perfectly. It's almost like magic. It really does feel like a cool experience, like a magical experience, because you just set your phone on the desk and it charges up. I haven't ever used anything like this before, but I could imagine if you're a small business, maybe a coffee shop owner, plop a couple of these under the tables and use that little InvisQi white plastic piece that it came with to kind of show your users kind of where to put their phone. I'm serious. People are going to be blown away. They're going to love it. It works so good. The only thing I can say is that there is a slight coil tick. It's not a coil whine. It just goes like once every second or so. But once it's under the desk and mounted, I couldn't hear it from where I was standing. So I don't think that's a big deal, especially if it's in a coffee shop. No one would ever hear it. But if you're in a totally silent room with this thing next to you, you might hear it a little bit. The other thing is it gives off a tiny bit of heat. But again, this thing is shooting off wireless charge ranges like through a table. So it's kind of expected that heat is going to be a slight byproduct of the energy needed to charge a phone through a desk. So I am blown away by this thing, guys. I really like it. The price point is a little higher than most average wireless chargers, but this is not an average wireless charger. This thing can transform how you use your phone on a daily basis by just being able to set it down and have it charge. This is the future. Before Apple goes all completely wireless, through the air, this is the next best thing where you can just set your phone down, have it charge without having to look at anything. No charger, no wires, nothing. So check it out, guys. Links down below if you want to get in on it. I highly recommend this product. It is awesome. I am so happy that they reached out and sent this out free for review for us to take a look at. Very good product. I have nothing but good things to say about it. So check it out. Links down below. That's all I got for this one, guys. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.